How to navigate the merchant dashboard. Go to www.paid.ae, click the Login button. Enter your user's email address and password. The Dashboard tab shows the overview and key metrics of your account. The test mode can be toggled on and off for testing purposes. You can choose between 3 languages from the languages selection: English, Arabic, and French. From your profile, you can choose to enable 2-factor authentication. It is disabled by default. You can also opt in to receive notifications by email. The Summary tab shows your settlement or payout data. In Transactions tab, this is where you can create payment links and download the reports. Settlements tab is where you can see the list of all settlements or payouts in your account. In Merchant Registration tab, you can update your company information, upload renewed documents, or update your bank account information. Sub-Users tab is where you can manage sub-users in your account. If you wish to integrate Payd to your e-commerce website, API Documentations tab is where you'll find the references you need. Sub-Vendors tab is where you can manage your sub-vendors. In the Settings is where you'll find the secret keys for both test and live modes.
Powering payments for UAE businesses. For more information, go to www.paid.ae or email us at info@paid.ae.